Cheap car insurance in Casey, Illinois. Save big and drive confidently with the best quotes. Picture this, it's chaos in the early morning at the Smith household. Kids scrambling to get ready for school, the dog barking non-stop, and I'm trying to get everyone out the door on time. Just when we're about to leave, my husband remembers he left his work bag in the car. He rushes out to grab it, but, oh, drops his coffee right on the front seat. Sound familiar? We've all been there, juggling the mess of family life, and it's even trickier when it comes to protecting those precious rights. In Casey, Illinois, families often have a variety of vehicles: sedans, SUVs, minivans, pickups, even compact cars. Each type comes with different values and insurance costs, but one thing's for sure, good coverage is a family must-have. Whether you're dropping kids off at school, heading to soccer practice, or doing grocery runs, your car is your lifeline, and safeguarding it means peace of mind on every trip. Let's take a quick look at the common vehicles families in Casey drive and what they typically cost to insure. Sedan, valued around $20,000, with an average yearly insurance cost of about $800, low risk. SUV, worth about $30,000, costing roughly $1,200 a year, medium risk. Minivan, around $25,000, with insurance costing about $900 annually, low risk. Pickup truck, roughly $35,000, with premiums around $1,500, higher risk. Compact car, about $15,000 in value, with insurance roughly $700, low risk. Since family life is hectic, managing insurance can sometimes be overlooked, yet it's more important than ever. Having comprehensive policies means you're protected against surprises, from accidents with uninsured drivers to natural disasters like floods or storms. It's these little gaps that can turn into big headaches if overlooked. Let's dive into some insurance features that matter for families. Liability coverage protects you if you're at fault. Collision coverage deals with damages to your own vehicle. Comprehensive coverage covers damage from things like theft, natural calamities. Roadside assistance, because flat tires or dead batteries happen. Thinking about your needs in Casey? Here are quick tips. Combining home and auto insurance can save you money. Your credit score can influence your premiums. If you're in an accident, prioritize safety and exchange info first. Rental car coverage is worth considering if your daily life relies heavily on your vehicle. Now, what's better for you, minimum coverage or full protection? Minimum coverage keeps premiums low but offers limited protection. Full coverage costs more but shields you better in tough situations. As the seasons change, so do your insurance needs. Winter icy roads demand careful driving, while summer adventures might mean extra coverage for longer trips. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures it still fits your family's evolving lifestyle. Remember, life's a journey, with bumps along the way. The right insurance helps you navigate those roads with confidence. And don't forget, it's about more than protecting your car, it's about safeguarding your loved ones in every ride. Prioritize safety, plan ahead, and drive with peace of mind. Pro tip for winter drivers: keep an eye on your tire pressure and stash essentials like blankets, snacks, and water in case you get stranded in snow or a storm. Better safe than sorry out there.